Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel we teach how small businesses can leverage on Excel and Google Sheets spreadsheets to actually make their business documentation easier and more comfortable. In this video today we'll be talking about how to create a mobile supplier sheet. This is the sheet you can use as a mobile supplier of any product to actually keep a very accurate record of your business activities and transactions. Now, as a mobile supplier, you would mostly be involved in moving around and a lot of customers to actually go to supply goods to distribute to, and trust me, this might make your transactions get lost in transit. It may make your transactions get lost in transit, or you're a business owner who have a supplier you would actually love to keep track of his supplying activities. Then you can use this sheet to actually track what he or she does or how he or she supplies. Okay, roll with me and see how you can design something you can use to actually take a record of this activity. So to start with, you would want to give your sheet a title in which we would advise you to select a range of columns. Then you click on the merge center to actually allow you write in all of them as one. So you title your sheets. This can go as supply sheet or supply book, depending on okay, let's say daily supply sheet. So bolding this, then you can give it a color. Okay, so on the sheet itself, you would want to create a table. I'm not sure what would be enough, but let's have this as our table. Okay, so in column 1 you have the date, column 2 you have customer's name, in column 3. Now from column 3 you have to list out the items you distribute. Let's take for example, you are a soft drinks distributor and you work with numerous soft drink companies. So you want to list out the soft drinks. Soft drink 1, soft drink 2, soft drink 3, soft drink 4, soft drink 5, this is soft drink 6. Now let's leave it as you have 6 different products of soft drink that you distribute. So here you list them out, each of them out, so that you can know how many of each the customers to bought from you. So the next column will be amount paid, by the customers, outstanding balance. Standing balance is if you sell on credit. Then I always like to have an extra column for notes, calling notes or comments, in case you have something else. Okay, forgot to total purchases. Now this is your header for the table. So you make them bold.